In this video, I'll show you how to enable PayPal as a checkout option on Shopify. First, sign into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, click Settings, then select Payments. Next, scroll to the PayPal section. If you haven't connected a PayPal business account yet, click Activate PayPal or Complete Account Setup. Sign in with your PayPal business account and authorize Shopify to connect to it. After that, return to the Payments page and confirm that PayPal is listed as an active payment method. If needed, complete any remaining verification steps required by PayPal to start accepting payments. Now, visit your store and go through the checkout process using a test order. Verify that the PayPal payment option appears and redirects customers to PayPal to complete their purchase. Finally, save any remaining changes and begin accepting PayPal payments from your customers. You can return to the payment settings at any time to manage your PayPal connection. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable PayPal as a checkout option on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.